Happy morning, children. Hope so you're all doing great. And your PA2 exams are fast approaching. Are you preparing for that? Prepare sincerely. Try to get good marks in your exams. This exam which you are going to attend, it is going to play a vital role. Whereas we have told like PA1 examination is like a practice. And PA2 examination is not going to be like that. You have already attended an online test and this is going to be the next test. So this is the right time to prove yourself. Get ready for the test, listen to the videos carefully, and I want all my 9 students to score good in their examination. Is it clear? Listen to the videos, prepare for your exams carefully. And one more thing which I would like to tell you is, children, the videos which is sent by the teacher is important. When you listen to the videos, sit and have your textbook in hand, then listen to the videos. It is like a command from me. Am I clear? Shall we get into today's session then? What is the prose lesson we are seeing? Prose lesson is titled as A Truly Beautiful Mind. And you all know that this lesson is about the great physicist, or we can call him the great scientist, Albert Einstein. And in previous session, I told you why this lesson is titled as A Truly Beautiful Mind. We cannot call him only as the physicist or as the scientist. More than that, he is something great. He is the one who worked for a common peace, and he wanted to be in politics. He wanted to work for his nation, for his democratic nation. So Einstein got even more involved in politics, and his popularity started to campaign for peace and democracy. You could see that the last slide of previous session, I gave you one exercise where Albert Einstein has written a letter to our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, regarding peace. And you could see the reply letter of Mahatma Gandhi, what he discussed over there. So you could see a really beautiful mind of Albert Einstein, more than that of a physicist. Is it clear for your children? And you could see what is the year when he died. He died in the year 1955 at the age of 76. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen. This phrase, world citizen, is of greater importance. And he is also celebrated as a scientific genius. We call some person as genius, or we call someone as genius. There will be a reason behind it. And this man, he can be called as a world citizen, or he can be called as a scientific genius. There are n number of reasons. He is the one who designed the theory of relativity, and he is the one who took lot of interest in his democracy, and he wanted peace from his nation. He don't want his people to struggle. He was a better human being. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. That is seen in the life of Albert Einstein. Isn't it, children? Yes. Read the full lesson. If I'm going to deal you line by line, this online session is going to be boring for you. Have a good reading habit. Read your lesson. I'm highlighting you the important points. Just underline. This is the lines. Like these are the lines which attracted me. When you read out the text, you can underline the line which is going to catch you, which is going to get your attention. So read the lesson, prose lesson, and enjoy the thing, how they have become a genius. See, the thing which you are going to do now, it is going to be reflected in your future. Am I right? Yes. The deeds which you do now, it is going to be reflected in your future. Yes. So, be careful about your deeds. What is called deeds? The actions. Be more involved in your studies. Keep away all those things which is not important. And in future, if I'm going to hear a word like one of my student has become a scientific genius like Albert Einstein, I'll be proud of you children. Like you can see, more than me, your parents will be proud of you. You will get a satisfaction for yourself. That is needed in life. The thing which is going to give you happiness, and if it is not necessary, that should not be followed lifelong. At least one of my students, I should hear a word like he is a scientific genius. And at present, I could see a good number of students from 9th standard, you are traveling in a right path. Other people, I should set them into the right path. This is what is my opinion. You may say like the classes is boring, but for half an hour, how can you say the word like boring? What is there to bore all? It is not boring, children. The teacher is talking to you and you are listening to her. That's it. So have a touch with the video classes. And here you could see the picture of Albert Einstein. A beautiful quote, beautiful mind inspire others. Just to question yourself, do you have a beautiful mind? Do you have a beautiful heart? Do you have a pretty soul? If you have a beautiful mind, for sure you will inspire others. If not, you can just fill up the blank over there. Try to have a beautiful mind. Always an engaged mind, busy with something. Don't waste your time. Don't be lethargic. The people who have created history for themselves, they worked hard. The history which they got in their life, the achievements, the rewards which they earned in their life, it is not that much easy, children. It's something difficult. For that, you have to work day and night. Why such lesson is being prescribed for you? This is the right age to tune yourself, to tune your mindset, whereas you will become a better human being with beautiful mind. Have a beautiful mind to inspire others. Is it clear? Next, here I have given you an image which is related to a theory of relativity, E is equal to mc squared. One of the famous papers which was produced by Einstein in 1905, from which the time and distance was calculated. The energy was related to time and distance with the speed of light. Am I right? What is that? Theory of relativity? E is equal to mc squared. And here we have completed the lesson. Now we are getting into the book back exercises, which is in page number 50 in your Beehive textbook. We are going to start with book back exercises. Is it clear, children? Shall we start with book back exercises? Okay. To start with the book back exercises, who had these opinions about Einstein? First question. Okay, let us start with second question. Who had these opinions about Einstein? He was boring. Whose opinion is this? This is the opinion of his friends. You are right. This is the opinion of his friends and playmates. Have your textbook in hand. Side by side, you can write it down in your textbook. Or if you don't have space, you can write it down in your classwork notebook. Take your classwork notebook, open your classwork notebook, turn the pages, give today's date and give the title of the lesson, continue to write. He was boring. This is the opinion of his friends or playmates. and he was stupid and would never succeed in life. This is the suggestion given by? Yes, you are right. This is the suggestion given by his headmaster in his school. And one more question. He was a freak. Who said that he was a freak? This is the opinion of whom? It is the opinion of his mother. So, three different ideas where you can see three different people having different opinion about Einstein. His friends or playmates had an opinion that he was boring, and his headmaster had an opinion that he was stupid and he would never succeed in life. And his mother thought that he was a freak. Come to the next question. Third question. Explain what are the reasons for the following are. Einstein leaving the school in Munich for good. You could see that in his lifetime there was a shift in school. He moved from one school to the other school. First question. He hated the school regimentation, the laws, the rules which is being followed in school. He hated that. He disliked it. But see to that, he disliked it. Again he joined in school. He did not stop his education with this. Again he joined in school. Einstein wanting to study in Switzerland rather than in Munich. What is the reason? You people prefer to be in Golden Gates. What is the reason, children? Yes, you are liberal. You are liberal. You are free to some extent. That is the reason why you get attracted towards a school. Okay, so the same thing you could find in Albert Einstein life, because it was more liberal. Education in Switzerland is more liberal when he moved out of his nation. Next, Einstein seeing in Mileva and Ali. Ali is nothing but a friendship, a kind of friendship. Mileva is the lady who married Einstein. What is the difference he could find in her? What is the thing that attracted Einstein? Einstein thought that Mileva is the girl and who is like a clever creature. She is a strange human being over there. She is more clever like him. That is the nature of Mileva. Have you taken down the answer for these questions? If I am going to be fast, you can just pause the video and take down the answers. See, I am giving you the answers and other things as we do it in class. Don't fail in your duties. Keep writing, keep following. Next. What do these tell you about Einstein? All these things. Leaving the school and he wanted to study in Switzerland and his friendship. All these shows his capacity to achieve. He wanted to achieve something in his life. He is focused towards his determination and he is a determined fellow over there. So his capacity to achieve is shown. Shall we move to the next question now? What is the next question? What did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office? Why? This I have discussed you in the first part of unit 4. I asked you to give me the answer for this question. He gave some name to his desk drawer. How he called his desk drawer as? He called his desk drawer as something. What is that? His drawer had all the evidences of his ideas. All his ideas were wrote in a paper and it was kept in the drawer, which could reveal his secret. If someone is going to open his drawer, they'll find everything. Every secret ideas of Einstein would be revealed. So he called it as what? Yes, give me the answer. You are going to give me the answer. Okay, so it is called as something. What is that? You have to find the answer over here. We have discussed 4 questions now. If you could not follow, pause the video and take it down. Make it clear, children. Is it okay? Make it clear.